Alright, today I am going to review Epigamia Origins Chocolate Milkshake. Contains vitamin A. I'll be the first to admit, I'm not a milkshake guy. To be honest, they seem very overpriced. Even this cost 35 rupees for 180 milliliters. That is not cheap. That's why I've pretty much put them on the back burner. Haven't really cared much about chocolate milkshakes, but I have been recommended this. So I guess I'm gonna have to give it a try then. It says source of calcium, no preservatives. I can appreciate that. Contains vitamin A. How much vitamin A does it have? It's a substantial amount. I wouldn't call it like, I wouldn't say you should, I'm not going to say you should have this instead of your vegetables or something. But yeah, some amount of vitamin A. That never hurt anyone. Alright. Let's get to it then. I'm going to be having it in this wine glass because, yeah, that's why. So, let's open this up. Alright. Seems like it. Alright, this should be good to pour. Now the reason why I'm using a wine glass is just to see the color of this. Of course, the color needs to be appetizing. You must feed your eyes before you feed your stomach. Okay. Alright, it is a very chocolatey color. Very brown indeed. I don't think my camera is really showing the full extent of the brownness. But yeah, it looks like it smells and looks like just Hershey's chocolate syrup mixed with milk. Let's see how it tastes. So it is a milkshake, it's not chocolate milk. It is thicker. It does have a creamier texture to it. Has slightly more milkier undertones than an equivalent Hershey's syrup. 35 rupees is a bit steep, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, let's see, what else can you get for 35 rupees in a milkshake? If you want a milkshake, what can you really get? You can go to Kevin Tears, but there's like 2 of them that I know of, so you're not gonna go there. You can go to Frozen Bottle, but that's just bootleg Kevin Tears, and it's not as good. You can get the Hershey's one, but that's ass. You don't want to have that. And milkshakes, honestly, this does seem the best choice. Because there isn't much choice. So anything which you can go to the store and buy, well, that's a plus. But can you get this in the store and buy? I got this off Big Basket. I haven't been outside my house in a week. So I wouldn't know if you can actually get this in stores. And I haven't exactly been looking for milkshakes, so I wouldn't know from any memories. If you can find this in stores, if it has the availability, that's a huge plus point. Availability in milkshakes is actually a very big problem for that market. You just can't get them anywhere. So yeah, I'd say price still 35 rupees. For a milkshake, it's not bad, 35 rupees. But for a drink, 35 rupees for 180 ml, it's about double what I'm willing to pay, really. The problem is, if you're looking for a milkshake, you're gonna pay it. But if you're just looking for a normal drink, just go to the store, open the cabinet, and see what's up. The chances of me picking this up is almost zero. 25 rupees if it was, I'd buy it. 25 rupees, I'd say it's pretty good. 35. A fruity costs 10. An appy costs 10. A real or Minute Maid, that costs 20. 35 is steep. And it is in the same category. You can't classify milkshakes separately from any other juice. Soda, you can do that separately. It is almost zero natural ingredients. It's a completely different breed of drink. So I'd say for like natural or nature identical drinks, I'd say there's juices, there's your lassies and stuff, and then there's milkshakes. In the milkshake market, if they want to make any strides, they're gonna have to cut down on this price, man. 35? Shit, that's pricey. Because remember, you don't buy one, you usually buy two, right? One for your friend. So you're gonna spend 70 rupees for some drinks? Or would you just spend 20 on some fruities, man? When you look at it that way, 70 versus 20, that's a massive difference. And because of that, for price, I give it a 3. The 3 points come just because it's from milkshake. So you can't really get anything cheaper. So yeah, 3 out of 10 for price. Taste? Okay, it is smooth. Although I'd prefer a bit more crunchier textures. But you can't really expect much from box milkshake. So I'd say taste, I'd rate it a 7. I'd rate it a 7. Not the biggest fan of it. Don't think I'll buy this again. But if I got it, I wouldn't complain. 3 and a 7. That's a 5 out of 10. It's not looking too hot for this. I think this is the lowest score I've ever gotten. I've only done 3 reviews, but still this takes bottom of the table. 7 out of 10 on taste, but 3 out of 10 on the price, man. It's not worth it. If you're looking for buying this, buy it once and never buy it again. There's no reason to ever buy this again. I feel sorry for the person who recommended me this. They were very enthusiastic. They must like milkshakes. I'm not the biggest milkshake fan, but for 35 rupees, your money is best spent elsewhere.